How to create 1xBet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can create 1xBet account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To create a 1xBet account, just go to 1xbet.com and then you will see this type of interface where you will find two options. You can see login and you can see register. So if you want to register, then you can tap the registration option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now there are many ways to create account on 1xBet. You can do it using a one click by entering a country and so on, or you can also enter a phone number that you can use to send an SMS and receive the code, or you can use an email address, or you can use a social network. And these are all the different sort of things that you can use to register. If you think one click is convenient, select that and then make sure to complete this captcha. If you think phone number is convenient, you can do that and so repeat it respectively. This way you can create a 1xBet account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.